you tired of listening to us talk?
Well, yes.
So occasionally, we're going to ask you some questions.
Hi, I am Quincy. I professionally do not know what I am doing, and I put two engines in a car because I thought it would be funny. It seems like Lemons, instead of me finding it, Lemons found me. It is without restriction, essentially. So you can find the worst way to do something, and if you find a way that's horrible enough, you will not get any penalty laps, and you will blow up. My main car is sitting above me. This is a Ford Focus that is a 3-door hatchback. It's very small, and I put two engines in it in a little less than 3 months. My first ever Lemons race was last year at High Plains in 2024. I was smart that race and decided to race this $300 Focus, bone stock, 600 treadwear tires, and one engine. But the thing that happened is after that first race, I met a few people, saw a few cars, and thought, wow, that car is horrible. I love it. And so, in between the June and September race, I kind of put a second engine in there. I do not know how to do that, but somehow it worked. I daily drive this thing. It works that good. Greatest win in Lemons for me was right before my Thunderhill race. I drove it around to a gas station only to find that the spark plug well in the rear engine was filled with water. So I had to drop that engine and spent the last $400 I had on an engine that I pulled on what I thought was a nice looking donor car. Unfortunately, one of the valves was completely broken. You gotta imagine it is 2 days before you were supposed to leave. You haven't packed anything yet. You still have to unpack from the last race, and you are out of time, money, and you're still out of knowledge. But I had one glimmer of hope. Savage Orchid Racing, they had a spare engine, a something 2000s Ford Escort engine with variable timing that I downgraded to normalish timing and fit in this car. This all boils down to my last race at High Plains. I had a team member who had never raced in Lemons before, and so, being the supportive team captain I am, decided to take the first stint, make sure everything was good, and switch out with her. Everything seemed fine, and we sent her off into the sunset. As it turns out, after her first ever straightaway, the rear tire debeaded, one of the front tires deflated, and this did not help with her feelings about racing this car. And after changing several tires, I destroyed a couple rotors, destroyed a couple pads, and showed off my severe skills and general incompetence. If I ever win the lottery, there will be a 3-engine car built within a couple months. The thing is, I'm flat broke, which is probably a good thing because this is a really bad idea. As team captain of Arc Flash and a horrible perpetrator of this madness, I want to give thanks to my team. You guys are absolutely amazing, and you are the sole reason I'm able to do all of this. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you all, and don't blow up.
Got this at Formula G in Long Beach.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?